Oh. Let's actually take this down to 7, and we'll send it to G from there. So I can try and get the other elevator. Here we are at 7 for my train back to Devon. I wonder if every floor except G lights up. See if I can get both lanterns in the frame. Nope. Oh, not on that floor. But at least we're riding the other one now. 9 and 8. These are traction. Here we are at 8. What the heck was that? The hell was that? Sorry for my language. To be at Jefferson in 45 minutes. Oh yeah, that lights up. That lights up. Go up to 9. Squeaky on this floor. Going to send it to G and take this one down. There's the Marriott logo. And it's snowing a bit. Hopefully we'll get this one. And I'm wearing a new beanie lamp, as you can see. Hopefully we'll get this one down. Yep. Let's go down to 6. Because I want to see if every floor lights up. Five. Yeah, it looks like every floor lights up except for G. 4, 3, and 2. We still have to check though. It does for down, it looks like. On this one. There's the Reading Terminal Market. Yeah. Two. That barely lights up. Schindler. G. Hopefully no one will be here. Good. Let's go all the way up to each floor and see if it works on these floors. Here we're at 2. Nope. My phone. You're at 3. 2 doesn't light up on this one, but 3 does. How about 4? Yep. How about 5? Does 5 light up on this one? Nope. 5 does not light up going up. How about 6? Six lights up. Schindler. Does 7 light up? Nope. Does 8 light up? Yep, 8 lights up. And we're gonna go back to G. Yeah, you can sort of see it snowing a bit. So yeah, it looks like every floor except G on some of these elevators. Both lanterns work on most floors except for G. There's a look at that Reading Terminal Market neon sign right there. Here we are at G, and that's it since my little battery light's blinking.